We got a 2021 Mercedes GLE 53 AMG. All right, I'm gonna show you how to replace the battery in the remote. So we're gonna flip it over. I'm gonna press this button here, hold it down, pull out the emergency key, get it out of here. Okay, this one's actually a little bent up. Now we're gonna press the button again, hold it down, and we're gonna pull off this panel by sliding it up. All right, it unlocks it like that. All right, so your battery is located on this side of the remote. It's in a holder right here, and all we got to do is put our fingernail, or you can use a screwdriver, and we're going to pull this holder up just like this. Okay, and then we flip it over, and there's our battery, and we just pull it out of the holder. Show you what size the battery is. Battery is a CR2032 battery. Positive sign is facing down in the holder where we don't see it anymore. We'll flip this bad boy over like this again, and we'll put it right back in here. Slide it in, push it all the way in there. Need a battery, check the description box. Have a link, take to Amazon where you get the right battery. Then you get your cover, and we just slide it, lock it back on. And emergency key should go right in. This one's a little messed up, so sorry if it doesn't want to go in. Yeah, this one's all screwed up. But that's it. Hope the video was helpful and was. Appreciate it. Hit that like button for me or leave me a comment. Really appreciate that.